Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive diagnostics with one ultimate tool, the best OBD2 scanner designed specifically for Nissan vehicles. If you're tired of confusing error codes and want to unlock the secrets hidden in your car's computer, you're in the right place. Whether you're a DIY mechanic or a seasoned pro, this scanner will transform your troubleshooting experience. Stick around as we explore its top features, performance, and why it's the best investment you can make for your Nissan. Let's jump right in and give your car the care it deserves. Number 5. Topdon RDiag 900 Lite, the ultimate bidirectional OBD2 scanner for all vehicle types. With top-tier hardware and software upgrades, this scanner boasts an Android 11.0 operating system, a lightning-fast 5X CPU, and a powerful 10,000 mAh battery for 12 hours of continuous use. The vibrant 8-inch touchscreen offers a tablet-like user experience, making diagnostics easier than ever. What sets this tool apart is its newly released bidirectional control, allowing you to send commands directly to the vehicle's ECU for active tests on components like injectors and windows. Plus, with Bluetooth 5.0 technology, enjoy wireless diagnostics from up to 33 feet away, providing the freedom to move around your workspace without the hassle of cables. Complete with a DTC repair guide, the RDiag 900 Lite is compatible with a wide range of models and comes with dedicated customer support. If you're looking for the best OBD2 scanner for Nissan and other vehicles, the Topdon RDiag 900 Lite is the tool you don't want to miss. Number 4. Foxwell NT301 Plus, the ultimate diagnostic companion for every Nissan owner. This advanced 2-in-1 OBD2 scanner not only reads check engine codes but also tests battery health, combining full OBD2 functions with battery diagnostics into one powerful tool. With its user-friendly interface and visual LED indicators, you can easily monitor your vehicle's health in real time, ensuring timely maintenance and avoiding costly repairs. The one-click I/M readiness feature simplifies emissions testing, while the ability to display live data in text and graphs helps pinpoint potential issues with your vehicle. The Foxwell NT301 Plus stands out with its accurate battery testing capabilities, providing quick insights into your vehicle's starting and charging systems, ultimately preventing unexpected breakdowns. With lifetime updates, you remain equipped with the latest diagnostic technology. For Nissan enthusiasts seeking a reliable and comprehensive diagnostic solution, the Foxwell NT301 Plus is undoubtedly the best OBD2 scanner choice to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Number 3. Launch CRP129X Elite OBD2 Scanner, the best companion for both novice and seasoned car enthusiasts. With 8 reset services, including injector coding, EPB, and TPMS reset, this tool covers 99% of daily repairs that other scan tools can't handle. The auto-off feature provides access to modern FCA SGW-equipped cars, while the lifetime free Wi-Fi updates ensure you're always equipped with the latest software. The multiple PIDs graphic display offers unparalleled live data stream clarity, making it easier than ever to identify issues without guessing games. Plus, the car health monitor effectively interprets warning lights and provides in-depth fault assessment for better understanding and quicker decision-making before heading to a mechanic. Designed for user-friendliness, the 5-inch screen delivers sharp resolution for easy reading, even in dim conditions. Lightweight and with a lightning-fast response, this scan tool is perfect for diagnosing your Nissan and much more. With a powerful 6,100 mAh battery and 24/7 tech assistance, the Launch CRP129X Elite is truly your car expert on the go. Number 2. Innova 5610 OBD2 Bidirectional Scan Tool is an essential device for any vehicle owner or mechanic looking to maintain peak performance and safety on the road. With real-time solutions to troubleshoot issues, you'll easily pinpoint problems with your Nissan or any 1996 or newer OBD2 vehicle. This professional-grade tool offers enhanced data streaming, allowing you to access live data for crucial systems like ABS, SRS, transmission, and engine. Its bidirectional control capabilities enable you to command functions like turning the fuel pump on, off, or retracting the electronic parking brake with ease. Supporting multiple languages, including English, Spanish, and French, The Innova 5610 is user-friendly and perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Plus, it comes with ASE-certified technical support and free updates, ensuring you drive with confidence, knowing you have the best OBD2 scanner for your Nissan. Experience hassle-free diagnostics and repairs with the Innova 5610, your go-to tool for automotive excellence. Number 1. Autel Scanner MaxiCOM MK808S is the latest innovation in automotive diagnostics, designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike. This 2025 upgraded bidirectional control tool offers comprehensive all-system diagnostics for over 150 car makes, including Nissan, featuring 28-plus popular reset services such as oil reset and injector coating. Experience accelerated maintenance with its AutoVin technology, which identifies vehicle specifics in a flash, and enjoy the convenience of a Wi-Fi printing feature for detailed reports. The MK808S excels with active tests on subsystems like windows and wipers, ensuring every actuator operates flawlessly. This user-friendly scanner combines functionality and affordability, providing dealer-level capabilities without the hefty price tag. With robust support for FCA AutoAuth and ongoing updates, the Autel MK808S stands out as the best OBD2 scanner for Nissan and beyond, backed by a commitment to exceptional customer service and lifetime technical support. Elevate your vehicle maintenance game with the reliable, cost-effective Autel Scanner MaxiCOM MK808S. In conclusion, the best OBD2 scanners for Nissan vehicles provide essential diagnostic capabilities, ensuring your car runs smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, investing in the right scanner can save you time and money. We hope this guide helps you make an informed choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Your support is greatly appreciated.